Hello guys, welcome to McLaud. This is a Epson-1430 which we install a roll. So this one, look at that. Epson-1430 is an old printer which they bring it here in order for us to install the roll. So we install the roll. Look at that. So it's printing now. So sorry for this temporary cardboard because the printer is old, doesn't have the one that will catch the paper here. So we just temporarily, so we install the CISS. Okay, so this is temporary. Okay, don't mind this one. And the most important is we are testing right now with DTF, and so we're printing right now with the DTF. Look at that. So this is the roll. Look at that, the roll. Oh, this off this light. Okay, so this is the roll. Look at that roll. See, so this is from McLaud laboratory. Sorry for that mess, but you know, because we're testing. So the roll, so we just keep this open. Now we're printing, so we will take the arrangement later of the CISS cable. But what we're trying to do is, it's like this printer now is capable to print using the roll. So it's a 1430 and our roll is working on 1430. So we sold it to $400 with the roll now. So the 1430, which is cannot load the film anymore because the roller here, this one, the roller, this one is old because this printer is old. So they cannot catch up the paper already. He cannot pick up the paper or the film. So he converted for DTF, but the problem is it will not pick up the paper. So we try to load it. We put the roll system, and now it's printing perfectly with, you see, 2 units of design continuously. So after he print this one, he will show it later to you. I just want to show you that this printer are really working good. See, with the roll. The roll are very important for faster production. This old printer can still be used properly with the McLaud conversion and with the roll. Yeah, the only problem here is the CISS is not properly installed because I'm not the one who installed the CISS. The owner is the one who installed the CISS. That's why it looks like that. But look at that. So look the results. It's printing with the roll system. So the Epson 1430 is supported by our roll system. So we have the electronics that we put inside. I just want to let you know that there's a device that we install inside. So this is a device that we install inside. I'll show you the sample. So there's an electronics device. Oops, sorry. There's an electronic device that we install inside. So there's a chip. See, there's an electronics that we install so that we can bypass and see. This is the switch now. So up, down, and this is the speed. See, so it's working properly now. It's printing with 2 design at the same time. See, so it print continuously. Look at that, guys. So this is how the system works. And yeah, this thing can be used. So the $400 that you're gonna pay is for the kit that we put inside. There's another connector that we put inside so that the computer can manage the roll printing. And of course the roll And the back, this is designed after the P900, which is the roll will sit into the film will sit into the two bar. Okay, so the friction are less. We have a nice bearing over here, so less friction. And look at that, it's very sturdy also. That's because this is made of metal. See, these roll are made of metal, aluminum, stainless. This one are stainless. Look at that thing. See, so it's very sturdy. So the printer is printing very nicely. The printer become usable, but you need the roll system in order for this to work properly and in order for it to produce efficiently due to the roll system that we installed. So this is product are produced by McLaud and we are selling it right now. The new one coming is like a install your own. We will have a video how to install it once we're ready to sell it, but right now people are coming in, they bring their printers and we install the roll system so that their Artisan or L1800 can be run by the roll system that we had. So this is the roll system that we had right now. See, it's working good. So this is the sample, guys. So this is the thing. See, after the end of the printing, that will just those things are done. So now ready to cut. Okay, so once we cut it, okay, I'll show you how it cut, you know. So we cut it, okay. I have to hold you guys because I have to hold the paper. Okay, we'll put it there. Okay, so now this is the beauty of this. So now the system is over. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is put it back here. See, look at that. See, so we can put it there. So we can see it. See, that's the paper. Put it back in the printing position. Oh, I don't cut it properly. See the difference? So that's it. Okay, so it's now ready for the second printing. So that's how it works, guys. So even this old printer can be used with the roll system of McLaud. All right, so we'll post it in our website. You can order it. This is a dealer who just wants to have this roll system installed for the cost of $400. Now he has the roll system. Of course, so let's see, this is the after we eject it back, we reverse it, so we can just roll these things. See, look what I'm doing. Roll this back. That's strengthen the whole thing, and now it's ready to print again. So this roll system are developed by McLaud and now we're implementing it. It's a simple thing. Even for the Epson-1430, this one can be used. So guys, order now for this roll system in order your production will increase. Your productivity will really increase with the roll system. And the cost of film is only like $200 for 328 feet. So this is 61 cents per square foot or per linear foot of this. One linear foot is like 61 cents. So plus the ink and the powder, maybe your cost of printing is like 75 cents per square foot. And that's your cost. And now you don't have any problem with loading with sheets because, you know, it's always there. If it throw up a lot of film, we just put it back, reverse it back here. Okay, you can reverse it back here, forward, reverse. That's how it works. Okay, so see you soon. This is from McLaud. Have a good night. Bye.